Welcome to LG Machinery online listing or store inventory, and right now I give you that's Hitachi Seiki VM vertical machining center VM42 with Seicos M3 controller on it. And right now I'll show you how this machine runs by hand. We did the range of ball bar tester, which I removed a second ago, and right now I'll just go through all the axis movement. You have to bear with me, since I'm holding with one hand I'm holding a camera and the other I'll just move axis. So we'll start with a Z axis on the hand wheel. Goes Z axis on that. Very nice motion on that, and you can actually see that's our Y axis. You can actually see. You can actually see on a range of ball bar test how well this machine is. It's beautiful shape, and it's in a beautiful shape. And thanks to that was run on it, it was running fiberglass part, so that's why there's almost no wear on that machine. And X-axis is actually built in it's kind of a bad angle, but the X-axis is actually built in on the column. So this is a very nice feature also, because you can have the Y-axis come up to here and back. First of all, I'm just gonna zero it out all the axes, and I'm gonna switch from program to position screen. Oh yeah, there it goes. Or just go to the main screen. It's got all the graphical, all the bells and whistles on the control, graphical programming. You can see actually what the machine performs or what it does on right here in a real life. It's a real life preview on that. It's got LCD screen. Again, this is Seicos M3 controller, and we'll zero it out first, and I'll just go right here on the screen. We'll go zero return. We start with a Z-axis first. Right here goes to 0. Right now goes to 0. We go with X-axis next. Right here, it's an X-axis. There it goes. Machine is not leveled, and right now it's on our 4x4s on the bottom. That's why it wobbles a little bit, and that's why we had a little bit of a mismatch error, which is not big on during our ball bar test. But that could be eliminated with leveling of this machine, during a setup. And right now I think, I have the tool clamp unclamped because I took out the ball bar tester tool. So let's go right now. I'll demonstrate you the ATC tool changer, how it works. And we have an extra tool in here. Put the longer tool, so you'll see you have actually very nice clearance right here. From the top of the spindle to bottom, you can do very long tools, including the drills. And let me demonstrate you how it works right now. Right now in spindle we have tool number 1 and tool number 2. It's waiting. And let's do tool number 2. It's waiting. So let's do T2 M06 in MDI mode. End of block insert, and I cycle started. There you go. Very nice and quick change. That's it. And the tool right now, the tool went. I have to show you. This machine can do very quick tool changes, because it's already equipped with the waiting pocket, like this one right here. So right now our tool is in the waiting pocket, and this is actually a waiting spot. We can actually call out the tool number 3. So I can show you how it put it away into the magazine. We put the light away, and right now we're gonna go T3 Z equals, no, not equals, T03 M06 end of block insert. There we go, and let's cycle started. And we will actually right now, actually put it away, the tool we had, the tool 02 I believe, no, tool 01. put it away and put the other one into the waiting pocket, as we can see right now. That's how the tool looks inside the magazine. Right now, tool 01, it's in a magazine. Right now, this tool right here, this one, it's actually a waiting pocket, so the tools are changing very quickly, because next tool actually which you select in your program will automatically go right here to the waiting pocket on this machine. Right now we have tool 1 in a magazine, and we're just gonna call it out and change it, and let's do it in MDI mode. Right now we have tool 3 in a spindle right here. We're gonna go T01 M06 T01 M06 with it, cycle start, and there it goes. Magazine goes, takes the tool 01. It should be in a waiting pocket. Take the existing tool out right here, put this tool in, that's it. And we have tool 01 in a spindle. If we right now call out the tool 02, I'm gonna go tool 02, tool 02, M06 on it, and go, let's insert it out, and we'll go cycle start right here. We'll take out the tool 1, and actually our tool 02 will go into the waiting pocket. It shouldn't, it should stay in a waiting pocket. And I show you waiting pocket on it, how it goes. Instead of being in magazine, it's actually a waiting pocket right here. So right now when we're gonna do a tool change on it, and it's a tool 1, and it shows you right away on the screen. We have a spindle, tool 2, and weight, which is right here. It's a spindle test. We start with 500 RPMs. It's S500, end of block insert, and M03 to follow. There it goes. This actually goes right now 500 RPMs. We put the spindle into 50. I don't have it warm up, but let's do a S2000, and we actually will go. That's S2000 RPMs. Right now we have a spindle speed. It's at the override of 50. It's 1000. It's 1000 RPMs. It's a big tool. It's not balanced out, but we'll go up and down with it, and you can see how smooth it works and how smooth it runs. We have a limited time on that video, since our YouTube upload download, it's limited. It works beautiful, and right now we have a 2200 RPM. This is 8000 RPM spindle. With a balance tool we can do the full speed. But you can hear, it's nice and quiet, and this machine is all in very nice shape. And just to go through with the rest of the video, this machine, it's in very nice shape. I'm gonna put in the range of ball bar test, online, so you can actually see how well it performs. And any question, please direct to us, and we'll be happy to answer any of your needs. Also, the control, it's like I said before, it's very nice control on it, and it's a very nice control. And you have actually your tools, like I showed you before. You can do the tool change from here. You can do the program, same thing. You can program it, and program it in a conversational mode. And you can do in conversational mode, and of course any canned cycles you can actually choose from your graphical interface. And it's fully loaded with a rigid tapping on it. You should be happy from it. It's got the bolt hold patterns, angle lines, grid, and counter tapping, fine boring, drill spot, counter boring, peg drilling, fixed peg drilling, variable peg drilling, and tapping, regular tapping, and boring, G85, G86, back boring, GAD8 boring, GAD9, circle ID, single clockwise, including the entry speed to make your circle to your ID. With you just put your ID in here, and it will actually, like you see, it will actually follow this path with a width of a tool, which you can already put into the system, under the tooling, and it will actually choose everything by itself for you. OD cutting, same thing with a circle, and square, same thing with a square. You just put a stack, how big of a stack it is, your tool which you're gonna use, and just cut away. Face, square, these are all the graphical pocket, circle, pocket, square. These are all the graphical options for programming of it. Plus you have many more G codes, full circle right here, G codes to follow. These are all options are actually to your use with just a simple click of a button. It's a very nice control, very nice machine, very good sounding machine. We can provide you with a warranty on that if you need it. And please direct any questions to LJ Machinery through email or through a phone call. All the information would be available to you on at our video, which I'll add, everything on screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this machine. And thank you so much, and talk to you later. Bye bye.